I can remember a motorcycle accident that we had here at the firm. It was a case that other lawyers didn't want. It was a tough case. A motorcyclist was going down a road. It was about 6 a.m. and there was a side street that had a light that was blinking before 6 a.m. and then it turned solid at 6 a.m. and the light would circle through. He was driving down the road and this box truck pulled out in front of him. And of course he dropped the bike, skidded into the box truck, broke both of his legs, multiple fractures, had to be strung up in the hospital, for weeks. He also had a traumatic brain injury where he didn't remember the accident. So our motorcyclist was a mechanic. He was actually a helicopter mechanic, so he was out of work for about a year for these injuries. And his wife at the time is a teacher, and they had 3 young children, so their finances were kind of devastated from him not being able to work. So the insurance company for the box truck blamed it on the motorcyclist. Police officers went out, measured all the skid marks, said that he was speeding. We had our own accident reconstruction expert go out there and try to argue differently, but it turned out he was going fast. But we were able to prove through evidence with the timing of the lights that the light was still blinking at the time the motorcyclist went through the intersection. We found a witness like a year and a half into the case, and we interviewed that witness, and she was behind the motorcyclist. And there was another witness coming the other way. And putting those 2 testimonies together, we were able to determine that the light was still blinking because the accident happened just before 6 a.m. And the truck driver actually lied, said it was a solid light, and he had the solid green light. So through those witnesses, we were able to get a large 6-figure verdict, recovery in the case where nobody else would take this case. For us being able to bring home a significant 6-figure settlement, put them back on track, paid their bills, put some savings in their bank accounts for them, and generally made their life a lot better and more comfortable. And now he's doing much better, living a nice life, and we still keep in contact today.